Hi guys, I'm definitely Amber and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a super quick, super simple, super easy vegetarian curry. Now, if you watched my previous video, you'll see that I already had some of these ingredients. You might already have some of these ingredients, but if you don't, I've listed the prices throughout the whole duration of the video. Make sure to stay to the very end to see how much I spend and to see if I was able to meet my budget and spend £10 or less to feed a family of 4. So let's get into the video. So here are all the ingredients I'm going to be using for the curry. So I'm going to use curry powder, coconut milk, but you can substitute the coconut milk for coconut powder, just remember to dilute it. I have my usual seasonings, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper and some salt. I'm also going to use a vegetarian vegetable stock. I have a garlic bulb, onion, a carrot, a plantain and a bag of potatoes. So let's start cooking. So the first thing I'm going to do is prep my potatoes. I bought this bag for £1.35. This is amazing because if you can see, there's a lot of potatoes in that bag, which means that's a lot left over, which means that I can probably make 2 or 3 more meals out of it, which is amazing to me and savings. Hello. Anyway. So after I peel the potatoes, I'm going to roughly chop them. You don't have to chop them as thick as I did. If you don't like a chunky curry, then you can cut the potatoes a lot smaller. And now for this very large carrot, I bought this for 12p and I'm just going to roughly chop that as well. Moving on, I'm going to chop up this red onion. I bought this for 28p. I already had this at home anyway, but you can use a white onion, you can use spring onions, you can use shallots, whatever you've got. So, quick tip about me, I absolutely love garlic. I would probably put the whole bulb in if I could, but I bought this for 16p and I'm only using 3 of the cloves. So now that I've prepped all the main ingredients, I'm going to heat up the pot and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm even going to top that up with a little bit of butter. Then I'm going to fry up my onion and garlic. I'm going to wait till that breaks down, gets a little bit fragrant, and then I'm going to chuck in my vegetables. Okay, so now I'm ready to add in my coconut milk. I bought that for 79p and I got that from my local corner shop. I do know they sell this exact make in the supermarket, but it is a little bit more expensive. Also, if you don't have coconut milk, you can use coconut powder, just remember to dilute it. And now in the video you'll see me add some more water in on top of the coconut milk, and that is 400 milliliters. So after a quick stir, remember guys, stir with love, it will make your food taste better. I'm going to add in my stock pot and you can buy that for 50p. So now I'm going to add in the curry powder. You can buy that for 80p and I'm adding in 1 teaspoon. So this is my favourite part. I can add in as much seasoning as I would like. If you don't like too much seasoning, then you could skip this part because you've already added the stock. But right now I'm adding in onion granules and a lot of it, and you can buy that for 85p. I'm then going to add in some garlic granules, which you can buy for 80p. Add some black pepper and then finally season with some salt. So whilst my curry was simmering down, I did a quick taste test and it was a bit fresh, so I added some more of the onion, garlic, salt and black pepper. I added an extra stock cube and I added an extra teaspoon of curry. You can even add some more seasonings if you have them in your cupboard. This would be a really good time to add some jerk seasoning too. So whilst the curry's cooking down, I put on a pot of rice. I used 2 cups and you can buy a bag of rice for 45p. So in total it took about 20 to 30 minutes for the curry to fully cook down, especially to the consistency that I like anyway, and oh my god, my mouth is watering. So as I wait for the rice to cook, I'm going to quickly saute some green beans. I bought a whole pack for £1, but I'm only using half. At the end of the video, I did realise that I probably should have used all of it to feed a family of 4. So the last thing to do to complete the dish is fry the plantain. Now at the time I bought 3 for £1.50, so if you just wanted one it would just be 50p. So once the plantain starts to turn that golden browny colour, you know that it's cooked and it's ready to go. Oh, I just love me some plantain. So there you have it, a super easy, super quick vegetarian curry. Now in total I saved a lot of money as I spent £7.10. Now looking back, you could probably buy a lot more vegetables for under £10 and make a chunkier curry than what I did. But it was enough to feed a family of 4, and I even had loads left over the next day. So if you enjoyed this video, do all the YouTubey things, like, comment, share and subscribe, and then visit me on Instagram at DefinitelyAmber. Thanks so much for watching, bye!